Hey folks, Governor Josh Shapiro here. I'm here right now because I want you to understand about some changes the federal government is making and how it may affect your family. As I've crisscrossed the Commonwealth, I met families from all different walks of life. But no matter where they come from, I heard a lot of the same concerns. Folks were worried about rising costs and feeding their families. I've listened to your stories, I've heard your concerns, and I'm directing my administration to do everything in our power to help you and your family be able to put food on the table, stay safe, and stay healthy. So here's the deal. Millions of Pennsylvanians receive SNAP, or medical assistance benefits, every year. And you should know about two changes coming to these programs. Due to a change in federal policy out of Washington, D.C., starting on March 1st, households receiving benefits through the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, also known as SNAP, will return to receiving just one payment per month. SNAP households received an emergency payment in the second half of the month throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. Now that families are back to work, our main streets are open, the federal government has decided that the emergency payment will now stop on March 1st. This change is automatic and will affect all SNAP households throughout Pennsylvania. But you can bet my administration is taking some action to deliver relief. If you're impacted by these changes, we're coordinating with a network of local food banks and community markets and county assistance offices to make sure that fresh, healthy food is still available and accessible to your family. Here's another change that the federal government made. Starting on April 1st, a change in federal law will also cause continuous coverage to end for Pennsylvania's Medical Assistance Program and for CHIP, the Children's Health Insurance Program. You see, during the pandemic, federal law allowed individuals to remain enrolled in medical assistance or CHIP, even if they actually became ineligible due to a change in circumstance. But starting in April, that will no longer be the case, and Pennsylvanians will be forced back into what's known as eligibility-based renewals. This will happen gradually over the course of the next year as your health care coverage comes up for renewal. You'll need to pay close attention to the renewal dates associated with your coverage so you don't miss the opportunity to renew it. For those impacted by the medical assistance and CHIP changes, we are here to help. And I want you to know that we found options available to you. Visit PA.gov/healthcare to explore affordable plans on Pennsylvania's own insurance marketplace, which is known as Penny, and to get all the information you need for other options that are available at your disposal. It's an easy-to-use website that you'll be able to navigate. I know these federal changes will impact thousands of Pennsylvanians and cause real worry. I get it. That's why it's so important that recipients of SNAP, medical assistance, or CHIP make sure their contact information is correct and on file so they can receive timely updates from the Department of Human Services. I want to make this very clear. I am not happy about these federal changes, and I'm working with our congressional delegation and federal officials to try and get them to step in and help minimize the impact of these imminent changes to ensure that folks get the help that they need. Together, I know we can support one another and keep everyone healthy and safe.